Okay, guys, nice to see you again. Um, Sorry I haven't posted anything about the car. Yeah, sorry I haven't posted anything about the car. I've been busy. I'm a CPA, and with the COVID and all, financial aid, it's been a struggle. So, but now the car is finished. It's passed inspection and everything. So I thought now is the time to give you an update, and also I'm going to the drag trip later. So it's time to show you some times and how the car is doing. Okay. So, if you wonder about the sound, yes, it has a catless downpipe. For now, I'm gonna clean it up. Do a quick clean before going to the drag trip. I will not touch the wheels, and also I'll be putting the two finishing touches, which is I'll be changing the grills for black ones, and some cosmetics upgrades here on the start button here. I'm gonna put it in red to match everything else. So why I'm going to the drag strip, I've been going there maybe 3 times. I'm chasing the 11s, meaning my best time for now is 12:01. Can you believe it? 0 to 60, my best time is 4:01. So basically I'm chasing the 3s in the 0 to 60, and I'm chasing the 11s in the quarter mile. Everything's stuck except the downpipe. And yeah, here, now see, this is some defect when they did the repair. I just did a quick sand and a polish, and all the paint on this part peel off. Why it's like this is because the hood was repaired. I wasn't able to find a hood for the F22 platform. So if you guys have one, or do you know where I can find one, just hit me, because this one is repaired. So the guy did their best, but it's not perfect. So yeah, that will be for today. I mean, I think it's time to give you an update. And also, many people have asked me about the paperwork here in Quebec. I'm gonna do a separate video about it because it's a whole subject. So that will be coming quickly. What else? Yeah, okay. Gonna try that now. It's 10:30, 11. So I'm gonna do quick. I'm gonna be in the drag strip before 12. So follow me. So those are cheap ones, all plastic, surely coming from China. So if you remember correctly, this is the M2 conversion bumper. It has been working great. I have not put the 2 squares there. I didn't have the time because I want to wrap not wrap, but protect the bumper. And so yeah, it's work. So let's see if I only push this thing, it will come off or not. I think there's a tab in here. You know what? I'm not sure it's the same. Yes or no? No! No! Yes or no? You know what? They're not the same. Fuck it! Those are the standard. Well, I will have to check what I really bought. I don't know. Since the grills didn't work, I'm gonna try and see. I haven't even removed this thing. Brand new. This is my last thing that I want to remove, saying okay, this is done. Those two. So I have two pieces. One is the ring, and the other one is the actual start button here, and this is the ring. I think that the hard part is the ring. This is not a complete replacement. It only goes, I think, over what is in there. Let me see. Yes, see, it goes over there. So why red? Well, I think it's gonna match the interior. So be careful. There's some tape here. So let's try to remove it with this. Oh yeah. See? Yeah. What do you think, guys? It's nice. Okay, that's done. On hard. I have a question for you guys. I have Carly, but I have the old version. I have this since my E90. I know that they have the new one, but I don't know what are the difference between the new one. Because the new one comes with a subscription. You have to pay. This one I only have to pay the adapter. So I don't know if you guys have more details on that one.